Well, it's about 10 o'clock in the morning on Saturday. I was doing some computer work this morning. Now we're out here at the farm. Josh here is loading the truck, and then I'm going over and just dropping it for the like a riding arena. So we're trying to level it. So we're getting rid of this mound here, and then going down on the other side of this shed, there's another big old mound of dirt. We're gonna dump both those over in the riding arena and try and level it off a little bit better. I thought I was actually gonna be a load trucks, but no, sitting in the dump truck all day. And then Josh is loading. I guess we're not even gonna knock down these piles, we're just gonna leave them up. So, easy Saturday. Hopefully we'll go fishing later on today, if I can talk Ashley into it, and then go fishing on Sunday too. But Josh is in the little Doosan, which is a 140. And takes me 14 scoops or so to do it. And then he's side loading, so it's a little bit easier. So, should be a fairly boring day. Brought the drone, got my pickup here. Take some drone shots, and got quite a bit of time waiting for him to load this. So we'll have a little bit of fun while we're waiting. The other guys are about to go take off and do the barn pad that I dropped the crusher dust off to in the SB2. Then they're gonna go over to some person's house and do a couple of rain swells and a flower bed. And then we'll, I think that'll take them all day, but me and Josh here will do all this. So yeah, easy day, maybe a little boring day, but hey, it's Saturday. Man, I never get to play on equipment. Boss is on the 6. Oh, hard to tell, but Josh is loading me with the little Doosan. And then, since I have the most experience as a driver, I get to just hang out in the truck and play on my phone, which I guess is alright. I just need to learn equipment, so I'd rather play on the equipment. But what he's doing is a little complicated. He's cutting in this slope, and then he's putting the pushing the dirt over there, then to push it out of the way. But that's a new D4, old D6, so let's take some more drone video. Battery's dead now. Gotta get another one out of my pickup truck. Spilling dirt everywhere. And I forgot my lunch at home. I don't want Ashley driving the car out here. We really need to put new tires on that car. We don't have a whole lot of money. So I'm prolonging it as long as I can. So I figured I'll just go without lunch today, or maybe call her out here a little bit later. But I'm starting to get hungry, so I kind of want my lunch. You probably can't really see it very well in the mirror, but he's spilling dirt all over the side of the truck. Well, 6:30 on Saturday. Ashley and I are fishing. A very noisy spot, because that's the frontage road, and that other bridge up there is the interstate. And it's too shallow here. The fish aren't really biting, and we're not using the right lines and setup to cast out far enough to be able to get anything good. So we re-rigged that pole to 15-pound braided, which is size of 8-pound monofilament. You can always cast it a little bit better, but the eyes are real small. This thing has 15-pound monofilament. We're going to put 15-pound braided, which is like 8-pound monofilament. And with enough weight, I should be able to cast it out a lot further. And we got 2 poles in the back of the truck we can rig up with catfishing rigs and actually throw it in the middle of it. because the main river is just right there. So we can probably go for some catfish out in the middle. We need to get it underneath the bridge or out a whole lot deeper water than here. But we might try that here in a bit. But we're just testing these out, seeing how they cast, seeing how they do, hanging out a little bit, listening to music. We're actually sitting on the back of the truck because technically we're on like a boat ramp that nobody uses. So it's perfect. There's no weeds right here. It's a nice, shallow, even part. I could probably put my rubber boots on and walk out there a little bit to cast. It's noisy, but that road leads right back into town. So we can zip back there real quick if we want. So halfway decent fishing spot as far as I'm concerned.
Yep.
So yeah, we'll be out here for a couple more hours. Might move to another spot, re-rig, changing lines out, kind of doing a whole bunch of different stuff. So yeah, pretty fun. We got worms.
Yeah, gross.
She says gross.
I don't like worms.
So yeah, pretty cool. We're enjoying it. Well, 7:30. We got a bobber and a catfish set up. So that's bottom treble with dough. This is top water bobber with a worm, and Ashley's playing on her phone. But we reset this pole with 15-pound braided, and man, I cast it double the length with the same leader and weight setup on it. So I'm very happy with the results on that. Double the distance with this. We're in a real narrow area, so all these trees and stuff here. So it's difficult to get a full hard cast out of it. Plus you'll just throw the worm off. So to get, I don't know, what is that, 15 yards maybe? 10 yards? You know, let's just say 50 feet. To get 50 feet out when we're getting 10 feet out by just changing to braided, yeah, that's everything. So 15-pound braided, 8-pound or monofilament diameter, just cast 10 times better. And then
I'm talking to somebody.
Playing on her phone.
Not playing, texting.
So enjoying the hell of it. Hot, sweaty. Took my cowboy hat off because it's getting dark. Sprayed ourselves down with bug spray because all the bugs started coming out. But hoping for some catfish tonight. Maybe we'll move one more time and go to a different spot. But that spot, the parking lot closes at 10, so we can't really be out there that late. And we don't have our headlamps, but we got to go home here in a little bit and let the dogs out. I don't know if we'll grab some more snacks or something like that, and maybe a little bit of beer. We'll see. But I'm planning on fishing till kind of late tonight. I don't know about you.
As long as I have beer.
We don't have to work tomorrow. We might go horseback riding tomorrow. But
we are gonna go horseback riding.
We'll just have to see. Might go fishy tomorrow.
We're gonna go horseback riding.
You don't want to go fishy?
No, we're gonna get on a horse first.
Yeah. So yeah, enjoying the hell of it. Miss fishing. It's one of my true loves in life is fishing. So I'm almost 40, so I should get a Corvette and just fish all the time. In a 23-year-old blonde. Because you want to know the what do I call that? Wisdom of the day. Best way to get over a breakup's to get on a new one. Preferably half your age and twice the cup size. That's the look of, I am going to set you on fire when you're sleeping tonight. Alright, so we're fishing. It's fun. Well, 9:30. We decided not to fish anymore because a barge is coming into the lock here, and we were going to fish just down these steps and the entryway to the barge because it's nice and deep right there. But we decided that we're going to go to bed because we're old, and then we're going to get up early and come fishing slightly before sunrise. Because either way, if we stay out here till midnight, we'll still go to bed at 1 and still have to get up at 4:30 to let the dogs out. And then probably be relatively awake. So we might as well just, go fishing in the morning.
Sunrise.
If I move forward at the slide, you can probably see it a little better on the GoPro. Barge moving into the dam.
Sunrise is at 6:50 in the morning.
So, sunrise is 6:50. So, we're gonna head home here in a minute. Go to bed, get up early, do some more fishing on Sunday.
Fishing in the dark.
So, see you guys tomorrow.